Okay, we are currently going to test and log about this. The car is 2013 Toyota FT or GT86 with automatic transmission, and currently we have the plug-in Motec and M150 installed in this car. I'm going to talk about this problem about this Motec, and we are going to compare with the stock ECU. Now, first of all, we're going to see the data log from this launch. Also, I'm going to check, so you will not question me about the reading is the same. So if we look at here, when I press the pedal full throttle, it's going to be 100%, and it's the same with the ECU. ECU also 100%. Let's see, we're going to lower to 65 and then going to 65. We're going to lower it again, 41. There are also 40, 42, 42. So we don't have to talk about this. This is already I calibrated. So the ECU talking the same data with the transmission. As you know, this is the transmission data stream from the transmission control module. So we're going to test and run after this first video. Right, after the first video, we're going currently we are in the hardware, so we have no trouble to test it. The first thing that weird from my opinion is the start button. If we use the stock ECU from the dead or off position like this, whenever I press the pedal down and I press this button once, the car or engine is going to start, but not with the Motec. I'll show you. Look at that. I press one and he only take me to the ignition on position, and then I have to press it again. This is weird for me, but I think it's not very weird compared to this what we are going to test about right now. So the problem is whenever I drive this car light throttle or full throttle, the shifting is very light and we are going to feel a lot of push from the back. Don't mind about the fuel level because the connector or the sensor is not right. Right, we are in the D position now, right? We're going to light throttle and drive slowly. Let's see, about 17% of the throttle, and this is the first gear. Hasn't, see, look at that, it's like that, so it doesn't shift up. It doesn't shift up. This is the second gear and it doesn't shift up. Look at that. Look, I didn't add throttle, it's only 25, 20, and then there you go. Okay, we're going to lower the speed again. I'm going to see again from the stop position. So because it's shifting too high in the RPM, I think the problem is that, and the ECU doesn't cut ignition whenever it shifts. But wait, I just wait for the straight to be clear. Okay, now we are light throttle. It's very light throttle. It's 16%. It doesn't shift up. Look, until 3000, and then yes, that's it. From the sound of the exhaust, you can tell that this is very rough. And whenever I add like this, and it doesn't shift up again. See, this is annoying. It stays like that until I move my throttle back a bit, and then it go. And then the other problem is there is no blip throttle. Let me show you. And then I let go. I shift down. There, no blip. See? Okay. And last problem, we are going to try the full throttle position. It's shifting like this. are at the gas station and we changed the ECU back to the stock ECU. As you can see, the harness is already off and that the stock ECU is on. Right, this already you know, you should know when this is an off position. I press the brake. I just press this once and the car is going to start. Look at that. See, this is the big difference, and I'm going to try on the street how it reacts, how it's shifting, and I'm going to back with the second video. Alright, we're back at the street, the highway street. We're going to try to load or to drive this car at the same TPS position, which is the 20, between 17, 20 and 25, no more than that. And you're gonna see the big difference in this. So look, the TPS is not, see, it's already changed gear to the second gear. It's already the third. This is the third gear into the fourth gear. See? Judging from the sound, it's very, very soft, and I don't feel the back pressure from that. And it's already the fifth gear, when if not mistaken. And then the big difference is the blip shifting. Well, I'm going to try to faster a little bit. Shift down, there's going to be the, see, the blip throttle. See, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. With Motec, the blip throttle is gone. Okay, let's see the full throttle difference. Difference in the sound is very, very clear that the stock issue, the full throttle shifting is faster, way faster than the Motec, because the delay between we are shifting and then we engage in the next gear is very fast. So in theoretical, I know what happened, because the Motec didn't cut the ignition timing when the shifting happens. That's why when I compare the data log, the only difference is the Motec doesn't cut the timing off. But the main problem is the light throttle shifting. The light throttle shifting is very different between the Motec and the stock issue. As you can see now, I'm driving around I'm going to go outside, driving outside the highway, so we can feel a very difference in that. We are out of the highway and then we drive around the town. Like, see, the shifting happens so quick. You know, this already the third gear, and I'm just driving as usual. This is a fourth gear already, and the driving is so much fun with the stock issue when we drive around the town like this. But of course, the power not as great as when we're using Motec, but this is what I'm looking for. We should feel this the driving experience is the same or even better, but at least the same when we're using Motec or we're using the stock issue, right? Sorry for my hands not focusing on the RPM, but you can see all the data log from our today run. I record everything, so I'm going to show you later. Change gear already. It's changed again. It's very soft. There's no back kick from the back. There's no kick feeling from the back.